Hola, muy buenas gente de YouTube. Estoy en un nuevo gameplay de Life is Strange, el capítulo número 2. Y este es mi segundo video en mi canal. Y por favor les pido que le den pulgar arriba, que se suscriban a mi canal y que por favor le den a compartir con sus amigos. Y bueno, y seguimos con el capítulo número 2 de Life is Strange.
No way!
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Aquí es cuando salvamos a la chica de pelo azul del
Another shitty
tipo
day.
que casi le quería matar, que en realidad le disparó en
That did
una
not
visión anterior.
happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use
Chica.
that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then
Te
trip
estoy
on out of
intimidando.
here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Dios.
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here.
Sí,
Leave
creo
Miss
que es el
Caulfield
director.
alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Fuera de aquí. Fuera, fuera, fuera. Shoot. Bueno, y seguimos con el video. Vamos a
You
ver con
look a
él.
little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that
Le
it?
acaban de
Well, Max,
estuvieron a punto de disparar a la
talk to
chica
me.
esta y pienso que va a estar bien. Reportar a Nathan se llama. Ah, bueno. Voy a reportar a Nathan.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family, and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told you?
We'll continue this discussion later
Cierto.
in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Of course this academic drone won't do anything since the
Podría
Prescott
rebobinar,
family
creo.
owns Blackwell now. Should I
Pero
rewind and change my
Creo que
story?
con eso me quedo. Ir al campus. Wow, qué hermoso colegio en serio. O la academia Blackwell. Wow, en serio qué hermosura. Qué hermosa academia.
Would Nathan Prescott please come to the front office? Thank you.
Nathan, te llaman.
Rachel Amber. She looks so hopeful and pretty. I wonder
Creo
what
que-
happened to her.
Creo que esta era la chica que estaba desaparecida. A ver. Un mensajito. ¿Cómo se entregan los mensajes? Ahí está. A ver. Lo siento, llego tarde, día loco. Te veré en el estacionamiento. ¿Te ves bien? Ya verás. Mi cámara estará lista. Te veré pronto. Eso espero. ¿Quién será este chico? Warren se llama.
Okay,
Bueno,
I better get to my dorm and grab that
podría
flash
ser
drive.
el novio o algo así. Usa para abrir tu diario. Director. Stella.
Hey there, Stella.
Hey, I know you. You're the new quiet girl in Jefferson's class. Isn't he incredible?
He's aloof. He seems like he's always above you. Not like a snob, but like you don't know what's in his head.
Maybe. Mr. Jefferson just has his own style. If Victoria wasn't all over him, I would definitely make a move.
Now that you mention it, he doesn't respond to Victoria's flirting. That means he has good taste.
You have a lot to learn here at Blackwell. Rachel Amber absolutely had sex with him. Well, I heard that from a good source.
So, you knew Rachel?
Not really. I saw her hanging with the other cool kids like Victoria. Not my kind of clique. But I heard insane stories about Rachel.
Okay. Así que tenemos un poquito más información de la chica, esta Rachel. ¿Quién es este?
That's so cool that Blackwell is doing a show of Mr. Jefferson's work.
Ok. ¿Y a dónde tengo que ir? A ver. Evan.
Hey, Evan. Mind if I check out your cool portfolio?
Let's see if you're worthy of it, Max. You'll have to answer a simple question. Who photographed the famous falling soldier?
Robert dice, no, podía ser.
Isn't it Robert Doisneau?
Oh my. You can't even tell the difference between street photography and photojournalism. No portfolio peek for you.
Vamos a retroceder esto.
Hey, Evan. Mind if I check out your cool...
Let's see if you're worthy.
Eugene.
Gotta be
Smith?
Eugene Smith.
Well, they both were famous war photographer images. But you should know the difference. Good try. Wrong answer.
Puesta equivocada. Joder.
Hey, Evan.
Sería Robert Capa.
Robert Capa, of course. I love his work, despite the controversy about that photo.
My. This quiet child knows things.
That's why I'm here.
You're a kindred spirit, Max. Would you care for a perusal of my portfolio? It's not a privilege I grant to many.
I'd be honored, sir.
Ver. Rachel. Esta es la chica, ¿no? Bueno. Perfecto. Y a ver, ¿quién es este? Luke.
Clever.
Vortex. Vamos a hablar con él.
Hello?
Max, I don't feel like talking.
What's wrong?
Nathan Prescott, little rich bitch kid. He thinks he can own people like his parents own Blackwell. Like he owns the Vortex Club.
Yes, he's a nasty piece of work.
You know him.
I busted him today with a gun.
What?
Sí, la verdad.
Seriously?
I saw him wave a gun around today, and I went to the principal. We'll see what happens next.
You are my new hero. Finally, karma comes to Blackwell.
Qué gustito. Señal. Dormitorios. Vamos a ver los dormitorios.
Come on, Logan, bring it, Brock. Yeah.
Qué lindo lugar, en serio. A ver.
I need to go to my room and return Warren's flash drive.
Oh. Hi, Max.
¿Cómo estás?
How are you doing?
Fantastic. I'm by myself reading Chicklet. Pretty soon I'll be bonding with Victoria at the Vortex Club.
I think you're better off reading Chicklet.
Pobre.
Good point.
Solterona.
Now if you'll excuse me.
Ok. A ver, students.
Glad to see our campus is eco-friendly.
Ok. ¿Cómo paso? A ver. Victoria.
Oh, look, it's Max Caulfield, the selfie hoe of Blackwell. What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your wave hipster bullshit.
Mierda hipster.
The Daguerrean
claro.
process, sir. You could barely
A mí
even
también
say
me enamoró lo
that.
hipster.
I guess you got your meds filled.
Qué hija de... Pero bueno.
Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving. Oh, wait. Hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Oh yes, Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way. I could crank the sprinkler up and give Victoria and her clones incentive to beat it. There goes Samuel da Vinci to paint the window.
Bomba de agua. Usar.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this!
Chill, Victoria. It's just water.
Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps.
Pero todavía creo que no se fueron de ahí. A ver, sal de fuera.
Keep walking, hippie.
She looks like a pissed off wet cat, and she's still stylish. Okay, let's see if this works.
Nice, bro.
Tendré que subirle bomba de gas. De agua. Ok.
No fucking
You
way!
okay, Victoria?
Oh, Samuel is sorry. Wet paint is not good for hair, nope. Sorry.
Get the hell away from me, weirdo.
Hold on. We'll get some towels. We'll be right back.
So move your ass before I dry.
It worked. Don't mess with Max, bitches.
Me encanta la actitud de esta chica.
Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
Acomodarse o bromear. Yo creo que le vamos a dar su merecido.
Don't say a word, Max.
Oh, wait. Hold that pose. And no filter needed before I post this. Now please move. I've had a messed up day and I'm going to my room.
You do that? I know where you live. So does Nathan.
Maybe I shouldn't have done that.
Esta acción tendrá consecuencias. Ok. Pizarra.
Room 217? No way in hell am I ever going in here. Dana's still a cheerleader at heart.
Victoria is going to be pissed we took so long.
La chica perdida. Esto es mi habitación. No, este es el baño de las chicas. ¿Y este?
Looks like nobody won this TP war. There's nothing left but ghosts.
Ok.
Okay, this is just mean and stupid. This is like the public DNA of our dorm.
Ok. Esta es mi habitación. A ver.
How sad. I didn't write anything. I have nothing to say.
A ver qué podemos dibujar. Un meme. Vamos a entrar. Un peluchito sin ojo. Una guitarra.
Home sweet home. My favorite cocoon.
Se ve hermoso. Es todo sobre un hipster.
I'm glad Kate let me borrow her copy of The October Country. I should have every Bradbury book for myself.
Un mensajito. Creo que era de mamá. Dijo que esto era una falsa acusación grave y que está preocupado de que estés contando historias. Llámame lo antes posible para que podamos hablar de esto, mamá. Así que no creyó, el director no creyó lo que le dijimos.
One day I'll organize my film collection. One day I'll get an actual HD TV.
HD TV. Laptop, mira.
Looks like Dana left me a little post-it note.
I already drive, so I can't wait. Fix.
Great.
No
Now I have to
entiendo
go get the
mucho
flash
inglés,
drive
pero
from Dana's room.
algunas cositas sí. Mira un pandita. Vamos a ver la laptop. Usar.
I look so pathetic.
Max Cosfield Friends. Amigos 81, suscriptores 12.
I am so addicted to this site. Look at these vintage beauties.
Camera porn. Okay.
Porn makes me laugh. It's nice to feel like I already made a real friend here.
Okay.
Philip Lorca de Corsia, my man. I don't think I could take my camera to those places. Look at that shot. I love Julia Cameron's Victorian vibe. Talk about analog cameras. Ah, Dolly, what a fantastic eye. He could truly freeze time.
Ok. Así que veremos qué más hay por aquí. El cajoncito.
Max and Chloe, best friends forever. Who even says that anymore? I'm going to have to call Chloe eventually and find out what she'll say. The longer I wait, the worse it'll be. Idiot.
¿Se parece a la chica que estaba en el baño? ¿O estoy loco o algo así? A ver. Vamos a acostarnos.
It feels so nice to just relax. This day has been so damn bizarre, and it feels like it has gone on forever. Maybe I'll just wake up now and find out I was dreaming all of this. Or like Poe said, a dream within a dream.
Tocar la guitarrita. Qué linda música. Bueno. Ropa.
It's not exactly pretty and pink, but no shits are given. I like my wardrobe. I love that Mom sent me a fat box of chocolate coconut bites for my birthday. And slipped in a $200 gift certificate. She sure knows how to make a sad birthday happy. It's hard to believe I'm 18 now. I'm lucky my parents enabled my photo habit into adulthood.
Ok, no entiendo mucho en inglés que digamos, pero perfecto. Nota.
Warren even left me a little message with his flash drive. He's such a goofball.
Parece que hay ondita entre Warren y esta chica, Max. Creo que vine aquí para buscar el pendrive del Warren. Y quiero saber dónde está su pendrive, porque aún no lo encuentro. Oso Teddy. Escuchar libros, mirar.
Cartier-Bresson, Doisneau, Hamilton, the greatest.
Escuchar. Voy a apagarla así, por ahí tiene copyright. Ok, a ver, fotos. Y nota, creo que ya lo vi, ¿no?
Looks like Dana left me
Sí,
a
eso ya lo vi.
grate. Now I have to go get the flash drive from Dana's room. You are thirsty. I'm the worst baby mama. Drink up.
Eso tendrá consecuencias. Y hasta aquí el video de hoy. Espero que les haya gustado. Y como saben, estoy empezando recién en mi canal, así que por favor, les pido que en los comentarios me dejen en qué puedo mejorar. Y muchas gracias por el video. Por favor, denle like, suscríbanse y compartan este video con sus amigos, porque sería de gran ayuda. Y que así pueda seguir con la serie. Muchísimas gracias a ustedes y adiós.